Looking for meals that not only taste amazing but also fight inflammation? You're in the right place. Eating well doesn't have to be boring or bland, and tonight, we're proving that healthy food can be both delicious and powerful for your body. Today, we are diving into 22 high-protein dinner recipes that will keep your body strong, energized, and feeling its best. These meals are designed to help you recover after a long day, support your muscles, and most importantly, reduce inflammation that can lead to chronic health issues. From juicy salmon to hearty lentils, these dishes are as delicious as they are healing. Each recipe is packed with nutrients, flavor, and the kind of comfort that makes you look forward to dinner every night. Let us dig in, get ready to discover new favorites, and maybe even surprise yourself with how easy it is to eat for wellness. First up, the stars of the anti-inflammatory diet, protein-packed favorites. These are the building blocks of a strong, resilient body, and they're as versatile as they are tasty. Think grilled salmon rich in omega-3 fatty acids, roasted chicken with turmeric spices, or even a tofu stir-fry that packs a plant-based punch. These ingredients are not only high in protein, but also contain powerful compounds that help calm inflammation and support your immune system. Grilled salmon with lemon and garlic is a classic for a reason. The healthy fats in salmon, combined with the antioxidants in garlic and the brightness of lemon, make this dish a triple threat against inflammation. Turmeric spiced chicken with veggies is another winner. Turmeric is famous for its anti-inflammatory properties, and when you roast it with chicken and a rainbow of vegetables, you get a meal that's as beautiful as it is beneficial. Tofu and broccoli stir-fry is perfect for plant-based eaters or anyone looking to add more variety. Tofu is a fantastic source of protein, and broccoli brings fiber and antioxidants to the table. Lean steak with roasted Brussels sprouts is a hearty option that satisfies cravings while keeping things healthy. Brussels sprouts are loaded with vitamins and minerals, and lean steak provides iron and protein. Lentil and sweet potato stew is a comforting, fiber-rich meal that's perfect for chilly nights. Lentils are a plant-based protein powerhouse, and sweet potatoes add natural sweetness and anti-inflammatory nutrients. Do not underestimate the power of plants. Plant-based proteins like beans, lentils, and tofu are not only filling, but they also help reduce inflammation and support gut health. These dishes combine fiber, antioxidants, and plant-based protein to keep inflammation in check while keeping you full. Eating a variety of colorful vegetables and legumes ensures you're getting a wide range of nutrients. Quinoa and roasted veggie bowl is a go-to for busy nights. Quinoa is a complete protein, and when you top it with roasted veggies and seeds, you get a meal that's both satisfying and nourishing. Chickpea and spinach curry is packed with plant-based protein and iron. The spices in curry, like ginger and turmeric, add even more anti-inflammatory benefits. Black bean and avocado tacos are a fun, fresh way to enjoy protein and healthy fats. Lentil shepherd's pie is a comforting classic, made lighter and healthier with lentils and plenty of veggies. Edamame and veggie stir-fry is quick, easy, and loaded with plant protein. Edamame is a great source of complete protein, and the mixed veggies add crunch and color. Who says comfort food cannot be healthy? With the right ingredients, you can enjoy all your favorites without the guilt or the inflammation. These recipes give you all the coziness without the inflammation spike. They're perfect for sharing with family and friends or for meal prepping ahead of a busy week. Zucchini noodles with pesto chicken is a lighter take on pasta night. The zucchini keeps things low-carb, while the chicken and pesto add protein and flavor. Cauliflower rice stir-fry with shrimp is another low-carb, high-protein option. Shrimp is quick to cook and full of nutrients, and cauliflower rice is a great way to sneak in extra veggies. Turkey and bean chili is hearty, spicy, and perfect for a crowd. Beans add fiber and protein, while lean turkey keeps it light and satisfying. Stuffed bell peppers with quinoa are colorful, fun, and packed with nutrients. They're easy to customize with your favorite fillings, and they make great leftovers. Eggplant lasagna with lean ground turkey is a lighter twist on a classic comfort food. Eggplant replaces pasta for fewer carbs, and lean turkey adds plenty of protein. Perfect for when you want something lighter but still loaded with protein. These meals are great for warm weather or when you're craving something fresh and vibrant. Grilled chicken and avocado salad is a classic combination that never gets old. The healthy fats from avocado and the lean protein from chicken make this salad both filling and nourishing. Tuna and white bean salad wraps are perfect for lunch or dinner. Tuna is rich in omega-3s, and white beans add creaminess and extra protein. Miso soup with tofu and spinach is light, warming, and full of umami flavor. Tofu and spinach provide protein and iron, while miso adds probiotics for gut health. Salmon and quinoa power bowl is a nutrient-dense meal that's perfect for refueling after a workout. Mediterranean chickpea salad is bright, zesty, and loaded with plant-based protein. And finally, the finishing touches. Unique meals that are protein-rich, flavor-packed, and anti-inflammatory. These recipes are proof that healthy eating can be creative and exciting. Baked cod with olive tapenade is a Mediterranean-inspired dish that's light, flavorful, and full of healthy fats. Mushroom and lentil burgers are a fantastic plant-based alternative to traditional burgers. They're hearty, satisfying, and packed with protein and fiber. So, there you have it, 22 high-protein dinners that fight inflammation and fuel your body. Whether you're a meat lover, vegetarian, or somewhere in between, there's something here for everyone. Which one are you trying first? Are you going for a classic like grilled salmon? Or will you try something new like lentil shepherd's pie or mushroom burgers? Let me know in the comments. I love hearing which recipes inspire you and how you make them your own. And if you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss a healthy recipe. Your support helps us bring more delicious, nutritious ideas straight to your kitchen. Until next time, stay strong and eat well. Remember, every meal is a chance to nourish your body and take a step toward better health. See you soon.